here's what's gonna happen. So apparently last night there's a super popular, famous hot dog stand here in Santa Rosalia. We found it last night, and we were sitting around eating hot dogs. They're amazing. And my friend Max decided, or I think it was actually Karen, decided to tell the proprietors of the hot dog stand that has been making hot dogs in this same location for 35 years that I have a YouTube channel, fact-based, but not big, and they got super excited, and they were like, hey, you need to come back tomorrow, and you can work for us tomorrow, and we'll show you how everything's done, and you can tape it and put it on your channel. And they said they would even take showers and wear their nice clothes. And so I have also put my nice clothes on. I have a collared shirt on for my first day of work. I shaved, I cut my hair, I have some cologne on, and I'm a little bit nervous because my Spanish is probably that of a 3-year-old, maybe 4. Maybe a slow 4-year-old or a slow 5-year-old. But anyway, it's going to be interesting. We're going to tape it all, and it's hopefully we'll do a good job documenting how these folks make their living, which is really my intent, and we can have a little bit of fun, and maybe, if I'm lucky, I'll get a free hot dog. That would be awesome. Our goal has always been to experience the local cultures wherever Animal Cracker may be anchored. No better way than to work at the famous Hot Dog Marin's and check out the local vibe. So this is it, where the magic happens. Hopefully I can bring my A game and continue to work here for the entire evening.
Then it started, the clock went to 7 and she started doing it.
Oh, so you missed at 6 o'clock. You weren't here?
Shit. Okay. I shaved my face, I have my nice shirt on. Come on, I have perfume. I smell good. Come on.
Oh my God.
See? I'm ready. Okay, what do I do?
Quiero ver con todo.
Money? No.
Okay.
So you gotta pay attention. You gotta look.
She's gonna show you.
You gotta be efficient.
Yeah.
Okay, bun.
Sí. Okay. This one.
Ajá. Oh, the mayonnaise. Is that
Mostaza.
Salchicha.
Salchicha.
Ooh.
Chile.
Chile.
Cebolla.
¿Más?
Tomate.
¿Qué? ¿Bueno?
Oh, sí. Y for you.
It's yours.
Mayonesa.
Okay.
Oh, that's what does it.
Ketchup.
And cheese.
Oh, that's the good stuff right there.
Voila.
It's good.
It's
Go
good.
ahead, grab it.
Okay.
You grab it. Give it to Max.
Did you get the...
El chilito.
See?
Gracias, señor.
200 pesos, señor.
La doña. Pregúntale a la doña.
200.
Thanks.
How was it? How was the Scott dog?
Still good. It's going
Still
down
good?
well. Yeah.
Woo!
So, platícanos cuánto tiempo tienen aquí.
Aquí 35 años. Poquito, 35
Poquito.
nada más.
¿Y cómo empezó el negocio?
Mis papás lo empezaron en 1986.
Vale. ¿Y cómo llegaron a Santa Rosalía?
Bueno, mis papás son de Michoacán y llegaron a hacer unos trabajos en el asilo de ancianos. Y ya con el tiempo agarraron este negocio y ya desde entonces aquí estamos.
35 años.
35 años, poquita cosa.
Y súper ricos.
Gracias a Dios todavía.
En 1986.
¿Cuántos hot dogs venden en la noche?
Pues depende, pero digamos como base 150.
150.
Sí. Y si vienen a Santa Rosalía, ¿cómo los encuentran?
Hot Dogs Marín frente al andador. No hay pierde.
Ah, ya. Eso.
En 35 años es 1.7 millones salchichas.
¿O qué han vendido? Un montón. Bueno, que sea el 1.8. Yo uno especial, por favor. Great. I think the special goes the meat now. ¿Cuándo va la carne en el especial? ¿Ahora?
Salchicha.
And then the carne. Woo! It's gonna be good. Chile.
Chile. So the evening continued, person after person, family after family, car after car, bike after bike, all to eat Marin's famous hot dog especial. After a couple of hours, it occurred to me this place is not just to appease your appetite. It's an experience. People come and pull up chairs, talk about the day's work, meet with friends and family. One thing that was very interesting to me, considering the business is on the sidewalk next to Highway 1, every single person stayed and ate the hot dog right there on the sidewalk. Many ordered a second and a third time, and that container with 180 hot dogs was soon gone. Simon, he and his family live on sailing vessel Nibby. More about that to come.
Ready.
Je vais prendre 2 hot dogs, tout garnis, s'il vous plaît, pour la famille. Ce soir. Pas trop gras, hein? Pas trop gras. Pas trop gras.
After a while, it was time to say goodbye, but we couldn't leave without lots of pictures and a few more laughs.
Hi, Alex. Hi. What's happening tomorrow?
we are eating hot dogs.
No, tomorrow. What's happening tomorrow?
It's a birthday.
Whose birthday?
Mine.
Yes, and what kind of party are we having?
The party with the fairy corn.
Yes, and what am I dressing as?
Witch.
I'm a witch, and what are you?
A fairy